Best right angle HDMI cables save space, reduce cable strain, improve connectivity, and provide cleaner setups in tight spaces. My today's video is about top 5 best right angle HDMI cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cable Matters 8K Right Angle HDMI Cable. The Cable Matters 8K HDMI cable is a strong choice for anyone who needs high-performance connectivity without sacrificing durability or cable management. Its 48 gigabits per second bandwidth meets the HDMI 2.1 standard, supporting up to 8K resolution and HDR for sharp, detailed visuals. The right angle connector is especially useful for wall-mounted TVs and compact entertainment centers, helping reduce strain on HDMI ports while keeping the setup cleaner. A braided jacket improves resistance to tangling and fraying, while metal connectors and gold-plated contacts add durability. For gaming, it supports advanced features with devices such as PS5, Xbox Series X, and compatible NVIDIA RTX graphics cards. Audio support includes 5.1/7.1 channel surround sound, Dolby Atmos, DTS, and HDMI ARC. Backward compatibility with HDMI 2.0 makes it versatile for older equipment, while support for 4K 60Hz, for 4:4 RGB HDR, 12-bit color, and Dolby Vision makes it a dependable option for modern home entertainment. Now our second product is Sucord's Ultra Degree Right Angle Cable. This ultra-thin 8K HDMI cable is a practical solution for modern entertainment setups, where space and cable flexibility matter. Its 90-degree right angle design and compact 1.6-foot length make it especially convenient for wall-mounted TVs, monitors, streaming boxes, and other tight spaces, while reducing unnecessary bending around HDMI ports. With up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it supports impressive video performance including 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, along with dynamic HDR10, VRR, QFT, QMS, and eARC for smoother visuals and advanced audio connectivity. Gold-plated connectors help maintain secure signal transmission, while reinforced cable ends and acclaimed 5000+ bending lifespan add confidence for regular use. Compatibility is broad, covering PS5, PS4, Xbox consoles, major TV brands, laptops, projectors, Blu-ray players, and more. The 12-month warranty and responsive customer support are also useful additions, making this cable a solid choice for compact, high-performance setups. Our third product is Ugreen 8K 10K HDMI 2.1 cable 6.6 feet. This 90-degree 8K HDMI cable is an excellent choice for modern home entertainment setups, especially where wall-mounted devices or tight spaces make conventional cables difficult to manage. Its angled design helps reduce bending and keeps connections cleaner, while supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 240 Hz for sharp, fluid visuals. With 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it can handle uncompressed high-resolution video and advanced HDMI 2.1 features such as VRR, auto low latency mode, and quick media switching. Dynamic HDR with 12-bit color enhances detail, while eARC supports high-quality audio formats, including Dolby Atmos and DTS. The aluminum alloy housing, nickel-plated connectors, and nylon braided jacket provide reassuring durability for frequent use. Compatibility is broad, covering PS5, Xbox Series X/S, Switch, Apple TV, Roku, PCs, Blu-ray players, soundbars, projectors, and more. Just check the HDMI port orientation before buying to ensure the 90-degree connector fits properly. Now number 4, Zaosin Right Angle HDMI 2.0 Cable. This Zaosin Right Angle HDMI 2.0 cable is a practical option for keeping laptop, office, and home entertainment setups organized, especially where space is limited. Its 90-degree connector works well with MacBook Pro setups and wall-mounted devices, helping reduce cable bending, awkward coils, and strain around HDMI ports. With 18 gigabit per second bandwidth, it supports 4K at 60 Hz, 2K up to 165 Hz, 3D, Ethernet channel, and audio return channel for smooth video and reliable audio transmission. Advanced shielding and a quality internal core help minimize electromagnetic interference, reducing the chances of flickering or black screens during use. Compatibility is another strong point, supporting PS5, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, Apple TV, Fire TV, Blu-ray players, laptops, monitors, and projectors, while remaining backward compatible with HDMI 1.4, 1.3, and 1.2. Its corrosion-resistant metal shell and nylon jacket add durability, while the 6.6-foot length offers useful flexibility. And our last choice is Dutech 8K Right Angle HDMI Cable. This ultra-short 1-foot 8K Right Angle HDMI 2.1 cable is designed specifically for tight spaces, making it particularly useful behind wall-mounted TVs, monitors, and other displays with limited rear clearance. Its 90-degree elbow and slim PVC housing help create a low-profile installation while reducing cable clutter and bending stress. Supporting up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it can handle 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz over its recommended short 1-foot connection, provided the source and display both support HDMI 2.1. Gold-plated contacts help maintain a secure connection, while the reinforced elbow joint adds durability for everyday positioning. Compatibility includes devices such as PS5, Xbox Series X, Roku, HDMI 2.1 TVs, and monitors. However, the right angle direction is crucial, so checking your device's port orientation before purchasing is essential. It is also important to remember that actual resolution and refresh rates depend on the connected hardware. With its compact design, this cable is best suited for clean, hidden installations rather than long-distance connections. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.